We're going to take a closer look at nuclear waste and how it's managed. The amount of waste is tiny for the energy nuclear produces. Nuclear is actually the only sector that tracks, manages and pays for its own waste. With nuclear, the waste is containable, and all the high-level waste in the UK amounts to about the size of a dishwasher tablet per person. If you stored all the UK's high-level waste in a single layer, it would cover 1,465 square metres, or 1/4 of a football pitch. When we look at the waste from burning fossil fuels, it's a different story. Air pollution is released that harms our health and generates emissions that are the driving force behind climate change. Some types of nuclear waste require large amounts of cooling for the first few years, so they get stored in large pools to cool down over time. Once the spent fuel is cooled, it's put into sealed casks, which are then stored above ground. In the future, it's proposed that waste will be buried deep underground in stable rock, as it maintains its stability for thousands or even millions of years. It will then be surrounded by clay or cement as an extra layer of protection. Nuclear waste needs to be stored, and new systems are being designed and constructed to build deep underground storage. These are called repositories. Here, they will stay as far away from people and our environment. Scientists are always looking for better ways to manage nuclear waste. They try to reduce its size, find other ways to use it in other applications, or make it less harmful over time.